It's me, Glenn Dragon, Bike Dragon, na binubuga na po. And we're here to greet you. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Ayan. So, kita naman sa ating outfitan ngayon na talagang Christmas na Christmas, di ba? So, naglalakad tayo sa parang mala Korean style na lugar dito. And I thank God because pinayagan ako ng mga bossing ko na lumabas ngayong Pasko. Ayan. So, for this Christmas lang kasi alam nila na magkakaroon tayo ng celebration. Sa Pilipinas, it's a big day. Pero sa kanila kasi dito hindi masyado. But anyway, ayan. Merry Christmas to everyone. May we all have a Merry Christmas. Spread love and always remember that Jesus is the reason for this season. Ayan. So, Merry Christmas again. And may all our prayers be granted and fulfilled by the Lord. Ayan. Keep the faith, everyone. Stay at peace. Stay happy. God bless. Mwah, chup chup. Bye-bye. At Landmark, and this is the Christmas decoration. May mga nagpipicture yan. Parang all about gift siya. Gift. Parang ganyan din yung sa Landmark. The gift shop. Cat. I can't waste my time anymore. Sabi daw dun sa libro. Siyempre, merong si Labubu. Maraming nakikitan kay Labubu. Pero cute siya dyan kasi pink. Ayan. Wrap it up. So, yung mga sikat na mga brand na Wrap it up. Either pang makeup, lipstick, pabango, cream, di ba? Christmas Atelier at Landmark.
Asan tarik kita?
Sa golden bilog-bilog. Golden bilog-bilog. Cute. Woo! Itsura. Sabi ko picture. Here is the view in Pacific Place. It looks like forest. World about Christmas. Christmas Bill. It's called Christmas Bill. Sa Monsters University. Woody's Fear Governor.